Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to discuss about photo album in MS PowerPoint. Photo album is a MS PowerPoint representation containing photographs to be displayed. That means you can keep different photos in this photo album and you can create slides also. Okay, so let's see how would you create this photo album. This is MS PowerPoint. You know, first you have to create. First you have to take a new slide. Already I have taken, and then click on the Insert tab. See, this is the Insert tab. Click on the Insert tab, and this is the photo album option. Okay, click on it, and this is the new photo album. Okay, this option you have to click new photo album. Okay, so the photo album dialog box appeared on the screen. This is the photo album dialog box. You have to insert different photos using this dialog box. Okay, so how do you insert these photos? Which photo you want to keep in this photo album? These photos you have to insert using this button. Okay, file or disk, this button. See, insert picture from file or disk. That means you can choose the file where your photo already saved. So I am clicking on it. See, some photos are there, and these photos I will choose one by one. Okay, so first I am choosing this one, and then insert. See, my photo already inserted. Okay, then another one, same procedure. This one I am choosing. See, this is the next photo. So two photos already inserted. When you click on it, see preview portion, this photo appeared on this portion, and when you click on next photo, this is the next photo. So in this way you can choose another photos also. So click on file or disk button, and then I am choosing this photo, another one, this also. Okay, so four photos already I have chosen, and then you can change the appearance also, or you can put the photo after and before like this. See, suppose I want to keep this photo at the first, so click on it. So select first this photo by clicking inside this box. Okay, clicking on the box, and then this option to move this photo upward. Move. See, now this photo at the first position. Okay, next, suppose another one. This one I want to keep second position. So select it. First deselect this and select your desired photos, then upward. Okay, sorry, this will be second position. So these two buttons, for this one is upward and this one is downward, and remove option is used for removing the photos. Suppose you want to remove this photo, just select and remove. Acha. Suppose this photo I want to remove. Okay, so click on it and remove this photo. See, now three photos are there. and 4 photos were there. Okay, but now 3 photos are there, so 1 photo already removed. So in this way you can put or you can remove. So I choose the photo again which already I removed, these photos. Okay, so in this way you can change the position, and you can change the appearance also. Suppose this photo, this is the preview portion, you can rotate this photo using these options. Okay, so different options are there. Brightness, this is for brightness increasing, and this is for brightness decreasing. Okay, this is for another one option. So different options are there for changing appearance. And then if you want to insert the text box, you can choose this option, remove text box, sorry, um, new text box. New text box is the option for creating, for inserting the text box. We click on the text box, new text box, see a text box, this is already inserted. Okay, then the picture option, all black and white. So if you click on black and white, then all pictures will be black and white. See, these pictures was colorful, these pictures were colorful pictures, but now it is looking black and white pictures. So deselect it, now it is colorful picture. So this option for doing your picture black and white form. Okay, so I am not choosing this. Then album layout, picture layout, this position, fit to slide. These options are only active and another options are inactive. Just this option you have to choose. Frame shape, rectangular shape. Then theme, you have to choose from browser. See again, theme, then the PowerPoint theme, slide theme. Okay, choose from browser, and suppose I am choosing the gallery, then select. Okay, then create option, you have to create the photo albums. So create option we have to click. Now I am clicking the create option. See, theme is this. This theme, this design, the slide design is theme. Okay, so you can choose the photo album name and you can give the photo album name here. Okay, so 4 photos already inserted, and next one is the text box which I have inserted. And then first slide you can give the photo album name and created by the created's name. Okay, so I'm giving my name by Momita. This is my name. Okay, and you can change the appearance also. Suppose I am choosing Algerian, and you can change the color also. Suppose I am choosing this color, you can change the size. See, and in middle portion I am doing this. Then photo album name, suppose I am writing the photo album name Freedom Fighters. Freedom Fighters. Freedom Fighters of India. freedom fighters of India, or you can give Indian freedom fighters. So you can give the position in the middle position and choose the different appearance. Suppose I am changing the size and font, see, and suppose I am choosing this. Okay, and you can choose also color. Suppose this is the color. Freedom Fighters of India. This is our photo album name, and you can create the you can give the animation also like this. Suppose this one, and just I am choosing the animation. So in this way you can give the animation also, and now I am showing the slide, that means the slide showing view. Okay, so click on the slideshow, and then from beginning, this is our photo albums. Okay, just one more thing is left, text box. Suppose I am giving just a message, thank you. Okay, this message I am giving. This one. Okay, so again slideshow. So this is our photo album, and in this way you can keep different photos in a presentation. Okay, so and this is called the photo album. Today's video up to this, and next video for the next topic of the PowerPoint. Thank you.